The Bitcoin price prediction for the 21st of February 2022. We'll talk about it within the video. Before we start, keep in mind the video is no financial advice, and you see a lot of interesting things. We'll analyze Bitcoin on a few charts. We'll see how it's performing for the day. There's a few patterns that I want you to see. I think you should see. So definitely slap the like button. There's a lot of things, a lot of value that I believe you get from this video. If you subscribe and join the army, we're nearly at 50k. Because my enemies are coming. Just hit the subscribe button. You see these price predictions every single day on all your favorite tokens. If you want to see another token, comment in the comment section down below. If you want to buy altcoins, buy and sell, long and short for altcoins, use MEX exchange. And I also have my crypto signals group for a lot of trades every single day. So let's talk about Bitcoin, the Bitcoin. What do we know about it for the day? Well, it is bullish any way you look at it currently. And the reason why I'm saying that is it's very simple, especially on the 30-minute chart. You can already see that we just crossed we're close to the EMA, maybe halfway there, but on the 5-minute chart, we're definitely upwards. I actually have a lot of longs pulled up. We already managed to close a few. I've got a few open like Solana, and I will be entering more longs throughout the day. The reason is we went above the cloud on the Ichimoku, which is to me, it's a very good reversal strategy indicator. We are above the cloud, signaling an upwards movement. We are above the 200 EMA with a few retests. Look, we popped up, retest, and higher highs, higher lows, perfect setup. STC indicator was basically stochastic RSI plus MACD combined for a better MACD, signaling an upwards movement. That's also bullish, which is great. Then we also have based on, I know this might look a bit weird, we have some issues, but money flow is green right now. Money is coming in, especially on the 5-minute. On the 30-minute time frame, we are trending up. You can see the volume lines / market cipher lines are going up. We're definitely trending upwards, and all of this started pretty much here yesterday at the New York session, which is very, very telling. As soon as New York session on Sunday started, we started trending up. Every long was good, pretty much. Every short was bad. We managed to close a really good short pretty much here on the repo yesterday before I went to sleep. I'm very glad that it was 1 to 1.7, I believe, risk to reward. I'm glad we closed that one because then we started pumping really hard. We just bring the red X, which is not great on Bitcoin, but yeah, we are in an uptrend. I would probably disregard all of these, all of the sell signals on the 30-minute time frame. So my price prediction for the day is, I do believe we can aim for 40k. That's very, very doable. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I really want to know, and see you in the next video. Bye.